Today's tricky topic in 2 minutes is motors and generators, electric motors and electric generators. And so thinking by now most of you have had some familiarity with our Lego robots because we've been using them earlier in the class before you'd see this video most likely. And so I have 2 Lego motors here, at least this is what we normally use them for. So these are really cool because they show that motors and generators are really 2 faces of the same thing. So what am I talking about? Well, just like normal, we've got a little cable here that we use to control the motors with. Plug it in one of these, right? And of course it's connected to the other one here, right? No problem. And so there's nothing going on. No surprise, right? There's no electricity here to make either one of these 2 things move like there is in the normal state with these. But the powerful thing about this is that if I add energy, in the case of, let's say, the big wheel over here, all right? And this is no funny business here, right? This is just me turning this large wheel. You notice that these other 2 small wheels move in response to it. So how can this be, right? All we have is a cable here, no batteries, nothing. So somewhere or another, we're getting enough electric power to this right here, this motor, to make these wheels behave almost like they would normally when they're hooked up to a Lego robot. So this is really, of course, being the generator right now. So a generator is something that you put motion into and then you create electric energy out of it. And in this case, that electric energy is going over here, and then you can see it because then the wheels move, right? But can we do it the other way? Well, let's find out. So in this case, maybe this could be the generator. And certainly it still works too. So motors and generators, they're not always as nice and collaborating with each other as these are. But the point is here that they're really very, very similar. And in one case, what you're doing is you're putting force energy into it. Some mechanical variety might be with a wind turbine. The wind might be blowing it with a hydroelectric dam. It might be water flowing over a dam, turning a turbine. But in any case, what you're doing is you're putting motion into it and you're getting electricity out. In this case, the electrical energy is evidenced by what happens with the wheels.